Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I will review special books that I found on Facebook few weeks ago. Then I paid them for 90 ringgit for four piles of books. Then yesterday I got the parcel, and it was a huge parcel and quite heavy. And so I already um, do observation on the book, and I would like to present to you guys this kind of books that I got today. So let's shall we. Before to the unboxing, I would like to show you a painting, I mean a gallery that I bought in exchange of my The Godfather book, and now it has belonged to new owner, but inst but it from my side, uh I own a painting instead. So I will show you. This melancholic painting I got from the exchange. Beautiful, isn't it? So done with that gallery. Now I will present to you the books that I bought that seems interesting to me to observe. And there's are four piles of books by actually the Millennium Library, but it has um the Everyman's library here. I don't know what's happening towards this books, because I I did some research that as you can see here, um the the pub publisher here is David Campbell, which true you can find you can find the name on Google. Just type Everyman's Library David Campbell, and seems to me it's not fake at all. um I kind of like the quality more than the original Everyman's I I own here. This is the legit the le- legit Everyman's library, but we will not get further on this one. But this pile of books, so seems to me is I would not say not a fake one, because this was published in the 90s. So I cal- calculate that this book has been preserved for, I'm sorry, kept for too long by the seller I got. So wouldn't say a fake, but would be appropriate to call them bootleg. Yes, bootleg books. Furthermore, without further ado, let's get to the unboxing video of the Bootlegs Everyman's Library. original and bootleg Everyman, but do you know that the book has the same translator for fortunately. So you can see here the Gogol translated by Richard and Larissa, and this CAP also translated by Richard and Larissa. So I am content enough to of the Bootlegs quality here. So let's shall back to the unboxing. Done of unboxing, and now since it's raining, so I will end my video here. Thank you for watching my videos, and goodbye. See you soon, ladies and gentlemen.